Everybody, it's Kateretta here. So for today's video, samahan nyo akong himatayin. Charos, sobrang init sa Dubai. Yeah. Magpo-food trip tayo for tonight's video. Like a lot of murang food here. And it's called Labor Community Market in Al Quoz. And also, before we start this video, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button on para naman tuloy-tuloy ang ating vlogging. So, ang buhay ng Kristiyano ay masayang tunay. Nice meeting you. Sige. Anong pangalan ko? Kateretta. Thank you. Nice meeting you. Fresh. Thank you. Ay, isa pa. May bayad na yung pangalawa. joke lang. Cheers lang. Someone wants to say hi to you. She knows you.
Hello!
Ayun yung blue-green yung mata. Oh, ayan na. Oh, hello.